Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and we're here at the Executive Hire Show Innovation Trail, and I'm here with Barry with Atlas Copco. Barry, I spoke to a couple of years ago one of your colleagues about electrification, and now we've got one of these units here, and there's about 300 going to one of your key customers of this unit. Lots has changed. You've stripped everything back and now built it right back up again for the latest edition. What have we got here? And this control panel looks crazy. Lots going on here, isn't there?
Yeah, there is. I mean, we've made so many leaps and bounds since we've learned so much over the last couple of years. I think we've actually been able to introduce additional battery safety into these features,
right?
Which then gives a lot of peace of mind on construction sites where you hear generally lithium concerns about fire and explosion, but also the capacity and the operation, the way the units are used, a lot more versatile than they ever used to be. And even this controller here is actually classed as a microgrid now.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And it'll absorb all renewable power sources like solar, wind, even renewable mains supplies, but also have a generator in the background just in case it's needed, if that's a preference.
Yep.
And this is all to actually point towards prioritising renewable power.
Yep.
Because at the end of the day, we're a sustainable, innovative product builder. So when we prioritise all these power sources, we give the customer all the green credentials that they need on their sites.
And I think what's interesting about this, folks, is, we know the seasons change, so it gets very cold, and it has got very cold. In different countries beyond us, where we've seen electric cars struggling even to get charged. And when we see the advantages of now hiring in wind turbines on sites and the solar panels, arrays that are coming on to sites as well, the control systems and the capability of drawing power and distributing power, like a mini grid, you said, but also you play big in this space as well. This is a small one, isn't it? One of your colleagues was saying to me earlier, we do megawatts, Peter. You're basically taking all of that knowledge and shrinking it as well, isn't it, into this space?
It is. It's all meeting the demand for bigger utilities work and more KVA, more energy storage. There's so many more applications that we sometimes learn from our customers as well. They have ideas and want to trial it in that sector. So I think it keeps on growing, and the functionality of being able to source all them different power variations just gives them that extra flexibility.
And you might not be able to see down below, folks, but we'll get a shot of it. Basically, we've got a lot of different connection points, a lot of different, therefore, components and things can go into this. And also, when we talk about this, we talk now about banking up the capacity. So we might have 4 of these, and we might have a generator for the winter time, and all of those sort of things come into play. So it's not just about electrification, it's about control, folks, for the alternative fuel future that we're in here. And there's loads of these in this green going to be all over the site as you're delivering, I believe, 300 units of this into the marketplace.
Oh, there's more.
And ready for more.
That's growing,
That's just for one customer. So great to see you here. Great to see you continuing to understand the types of things we need in the industry, not just a power pack on site, a power solution on site. Cheers.
Yeah, thank you, Peter.